Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a pretty sweet video for you guys. It's probably going to turn into a series. I've always wanted to do one of these, so I finally got a bike to kind of rebuild and hopefully make it clean. So today I just went and picked up a 1990 CR250 two-stroke. This thing is freaking sweet. It runs pretty good. The dude gave me all the service history and everything, and he got like a carb rebuilt, wheel bearings done, several services since 1990. Came with this FMF turbine core, slip-on, and a pro circuit header, and it also has an RG3 rear shock. I'm pretty sure that the front forks are bone stock. They feel pretty blown out. Yeah, this is how I picked it up. So obviously it's pretty dirty, but actually in pretty good condition. I went and picked it up for $1,300, which wasn't a bad deal because it does run pretty good. And yeah, there's just small stuff that needs to be fixed. Like, it's not really on there very well. The rear brake's kind of sketchy. I'm gonna get rid of this tank for sure, and probably get the smaller red tank to kind of match. Probably polish up the pipe, throw some new plastics on it, get some graphics, polish up this back swing arm, maybe do the bearings on that, polish up these wheels, get some new tires. But yeah, I'm super stoked with this thing so far. I went out and rode it and it feels really good. It's super fast, got a lot of power. This bike's made for men. I'll get a little startup for you guys. Fires right up. Actually runs really good for how old it is. I asked the dude when the last time the top end was done, and he said he has no idea. He's had it in his family for 30 years or something, so it's probably OEM stock. But yeah, I'm super stoked. I think once we get this thing cleaned up, should be pretty sick. All right, guys, we got the bike in the garage. I think for now, what we're gonna do tonight is just take off all the plastics, the tank, drain all the gas, and just inspect everything. Maybe take the carb apart and clean some of the jets so I can get it idling. So yeah, I think we're gonna do that tonight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna pressure wash it and get it all clean. So we took off the seat, and I was kind of worried about the air filter, but it actually looks brand new. It's all oiled up.
Could use a little more oil.
Yeah, probably a little more, but I mean, that's way better than I was expecting.
Hell yeah.
Keep you guys updated. Got the tank off, draining all the gas. The engine actually looks really clean. It's dusty, but I mean, no like hoses are ripped or cracked that I can see right now. Actually looks really good for the most part. I was kind of worried about this because I did notice this right here. Get this light. Looks like there's like a little crack in the frame right there, but I think it's just rust. That's what it looks like. The paint's wearing off right there. So that's good. No cracks. I think we're gonna tear this carb apart tonight, clean all the jets. Yeah, keep you guys updated.
All right, guys, so it's the next morning. Got a lot done on this bike last night. So today I'm going to take it out and pressure wash it after I get everything put back together. And then I think I'm going to order some parts for it. I cleaned this front sprocket last night with some simple green, and it actually cleaned up really good. I also took the back wheel off, as you guys saw, and I greased the axle up. Something kind of weird. I was trying to take this chain guide off, or this like protector right here. This bolt is gonna strip out, and the guide actually looks like it's hitting on the sprocket, which is no good. So I got to figure something out for that. Yeah, other than that, bike's doing good. It's looking a lot cleaner. Got the exhaust all cleaned up. Looks really good. This looks brand new. This is looking really good too. Way better. Some Scotch Brite. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. All right, boys, just got her pressure washed, cleaned up, decent. There's still a lot of like just oil that's just stuck onto the frame and the pipe that I'm probably just gonna have to hand scrub it. But other than that, the plastic's cleaned up decently. The frame does have a little wear along with these forks. Probably just end up doing a whole new plastic kit on it. I'm trying to look for a tank for the bike. I want to get like the OEM red, the smaller tank. I'm just not a fan of how this one looks. So if you know anywhere I can get one of those, let me know. Saw a couple on eBay. They're kind of pricey. So that's definitely one of the things we're going to do. The next thing is I'm probably just going to have to take apart this whole kickstart assembly, get a new arm, and probably redo the spring in there, because this thing just kicks all the way down and it'll get stuck. So I think it's the stopper, I think is what it's called on eBay. And I don't even think this is the right arm for it, just because it's kind of janky. But yeah, look online, some of that. But yeah, it did clean up decently. About to fire it up, try to get it running good. I'm gonna try to get the idle adjusted so it can just sit and idle. And yeah, it's not looking too bad. All right, guys, so I just ran the bike and tuned the carb a little bit on the idle, and it's running a lot better now. I'll get you guys a startup. All right, guys, so I think that's gonna wrap up this video. Yeah, I'm super stoked on this thing. It actually runs really good. I think I got a good deal on it. 1,300 bucks, wasn't too bad, and it's actually pretty clean for the most part. I do think the guy said that he didn't know the last time it was rebuilt, but this cylinder head looks pretty new to me. I don't know, the bike runs great. It's super fun. It's really fast. If you guys enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna do another episode on this bike. Just probably order some parts, clean some more stuff on it, take it apart. I wanna get a new tank, the OEM red one, pretty soon. So that might be the next upgrade. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.